welcome to New Inbox. Today we're gonna look at this one. This is the Mercedes-Benz CLK DTM kit number 58310. Okay, here we have the Mercedes-Benz CLK DTM. As you can see, it comes on a TB02 chassis that was released in 2004. This is the Vodafone version that the German driver Bernd Schneider drove and won in 2000, 2001 and 2003. I think maybe he came in second in 2002, if I don't remember wrong. Okay, here you can see some information in Japanese, and you can see the chassis. The chassis is nice. Here, option part, aluminum motor mount and some stabilizers. Okay, and the box looks good. This is from, like I told you, 2004, and then that was, yeah, not like in the 90s where the boxes and the parts and the aluminum, everything was nice. Not everything, but many things was nice. And then they start to save money and put in plastic bearings, and the box looks boring. But like this one from 2004, it was okay. Okay, here you can see some black plastic part, like always. Some bumpers and some damper towers and some battery holders. Yeah, the TB02 chassis is, I like it. Okay, you can look at this first. This is, I'll open this plastic so you can look inside. It's easier to see in real, not through the plastic. Here I think this is for the gearbox. Come on. Yeah, this is the covers for the gearboxes. One in front and one in the rear, not gearbox. Yeah, I don't know, gearbox, but where you put the differentials and the shafts to the wheels and things. Yeah, you understand. You built and seen kits before, so you know. On the main chassis, black plastic with openings for, that must be for cooling the batteries. This is only normal plastic, not fiber reinforced plastic. Go back into your house, inside the plastic. I built maybe one or two of those TB02s. I built Honda NSX, I'll show you later. A white one with the green wheels, looks like the test car. Can look at more parts now, and then I'll tell you more later. Here are the tops for the dampers, and yeah, not easy to see, but not really interesting, but important. Here you have, what is it? I can't see that. That's something for this, yeah, the uprights and things, like something for the suspension. Here are parts for the dampers, like, and here we have the what do you call it, where you put the drive shaft out something, and the arms. Here we have some more. This is body posts and some other parts for, yeah, more parts, hubs, motor mounts, something for the steering, and some servo part maybe. Okay, let's open a plastic bag. Where are the A, B and C bags are inside. That's at least a little more interesting than the black plastic. Okay. Make some room here, and then we Take it out. You can see here bag number B. You can see the heat plate or something for the motor. Some that's for the dampers and the pinion gears. And you see, like I like it. They're like ball bearings, not like the white plastic shit. Here bag A with some grease and some spacers and some and the balls for the ball diff and some more screws. And here maybe the shaft. No, not that shaft for the arms, I know. And then here, hello, here is the wife is finished at work. That's okay. And that is the aluminium motor mount, dark gray silver. Bag number C with the springs and oil and some O-rings and the rubber caps or something for the dampers and more ball bearings. That's nice, really nice. And golden springs and the silver can motor. I'm glad the wife is is coming home in one piece, because this is the first time she drove the electric scooter to works, but she looks alive and no broken arms and legs, so that's good. Okay, bumper. This is where you put in this one. This is the foam. And we have more parts here. We have some gears. And we have body clips, and then we have here more screws and bolts and some blue aluminium spacers. That's nice. And some bevel gears for the differential. That's where you put in the small steel balls you see in the other pictures. And this one, aluminium drive shaft in dark gray aluminium. That's better than the plastic one on the TTO1 and TTO whatever. Okay, and the tires, nice, with real foam inside, like not like the gray foam. Yeah, you know what I mean. And there we have can open this one, and this is, I think this is the spoiler and the mirrors. Oh, that looks good. Maybe need to paint the mirrors. Okay. And then we have the rims. I'll open the plastic bag to check out the rims. Oh, they look really nice. Silver with many spokes. Good looking wheels. Or rims, wheels. Tires, rims, wheels. Yeah. The wheels is maybe the tires, and the rims is a wheel, I think. The body and the really nice CLK and the DTM. You see the wide fenders, so it's more beefy than the street car. The double headlights. Looks good. I've seen this in a really nice, like the paint they use on the German taxis, like a beige color with the taxi sign on the roof, and it's like a track taxi or a VIP taxi they call it, for maybe important customers to drive around the track. It looks really nice. I'll show you a picture later. Okay, let's check out the Vodafone stickers or decals or whatever you want to call it. Really nice and bright, bright red. Number 1, DTM. You have Mobile 1 and Dunlop, and I don't like this dark colors for the windows. It's too dark, so I usually cut out the glass part and then only use the trim around the windows with the Vodafone and the Bosch on top, and then I only paint it from inside with the Tamiya smoke paint. And here the manual, you can see it, included ball bearings. That's really nice. The tires are a little better than the original ones, or not the original but the standard ones. Here you can see how sorry, and they put in the arms, and here we put together the ball leaf. The ball leaf is nice. And you put the differential inside the gearbox or in the plastic drive shaft here on the two gearboxes or two differentials. The uprights and hubs, and okay, here more for steering, and here motor mounts, the cover for the motor, the aluminium motor mount, servo saver, electronics, the springs, the dampers, the oils, and here you have to put on the tires and glue them and screw them on the car, and yeah, things you've seen many times. And this is like normal cutting, painting, masking. Then you have some few hard plastic parts, the wings and the mirrors and the wing. And here is option part, maybe a one-way diff or something. Yeah, one way. And some carbon fiber damper towers. And here are all the parts, the rims, the numbers. Yeah, TB02 is a nice car. Okay, bye bye.